Hi, welcome to this demo of Central CTI from CCH and Britannic Technologies. This software brings together your existing telephony infrastructure with the CCH Central database. This solution currently works with over 35 telephone systems in the marketplace from Avaya, Nortel, Mitel, Siemens, Toshiba and others. Features conveyed in this demo are all available for all systems out of the box. This solution is simple to install and simple to use. It has been developed with the user in mind to save time, improve communications, improve data record keeping, and save money. I will now go through the features of this powerful technology, and I will start with an incoming call. The immediate thing you see from this software is the green jelly bean dot down in the system tray. This shows the status of my handset. Currently it is idle and it shows green. If I generate an incoming call by pretending this number is calling me, you will see the preview toast bar come up in the bottom right hand corner. This shows that I have an incoming call from 01483 242 522, and this number is looked up within Central and feed back to me to say that this contact belongs to Nick Hawes. I can then answer the call with "Hi Nick Hawes." I can also pop the Central database screen just by pressing this button here. This launches the contact within Central and can save many minutes looking for the contact that is just called in. This feature can also be launched when my phone is ringing or when I pick up the handset, so I do not need to press the button. That's how an incoming call would normally take place. We can also do outgoing calls with the click to dial feature. On the contact screen you will see that you have tiny small telephony icons here. Pressing this button will dial the telephone number, and you can see it's also matched to my name. This also works for mobile numbers and other numbers that are within Central. Other features of the software are available with the right click of the mouse. Here you can see a list of the available features that I have on my software. These can all be configured per user so they can be allocated to each user whether they need them, or we can then disable them. The first feature shows the call history. This shows a call history for my extension. So these show the incoming and outgoing calls dating back as far as we need to. You can see here you've got today and the time, the telephone number and the name that is linked to with the duration of the call and also the direction. By clicking on the number, this will dial the telephone number, and you can see it dialing out with the preview bar here, and pressing the name will also launch the contact screen within Central. With another right click I can go into the address book. This is a direct link to the back end of Central, so I can look up customer details just by using this search screen. This brings up my search window and I can find any contacts with this number. Here I have my demo contact Nick Hawes in here with the telephone numbers. This will obviously bring lots more records with any of those details. In the search window I can put as much or as little information here as possible, and it can also contain telephone numbers. The next feature we'll show you is the messaging feature. This is an internal messaging client that will pop up on another user screen. In here I can type a new message and send it across to another user and it will pop up on their screen. This might be to say that I have a call waiting for you, or if you're on lunch and you can get someone to phone your mobile. It shows the time of the message and you can reply back from here. You can also send group messages to send messages to more than one person. With another right click we can go to the presence feature. This is very powerful. This shows every user connected to the telephone system and can also work across multiple sites with multiple different telephone systems and link them all together. With the right click I can see the options that I can choose from my client. I can make a call to them, I can see their call history, I can also send them a message. This shows a clear indication of what's going on within the business and whether I can pass calls through to people and see if they're busy. Next we have the phone window. This is much like a soft window that you see, and dialing numbers is very easy. I just click my keyboard and dial numbers with an enter. I can dial numbers from here. I can also copy and paste numbers into this window. It also brings up extra features such as hold, consult and transfer, so I can use my telephony as easy as I can from the handset. I can also send digits, DTMF digits, just by pressing these buttons here. The availability feature sets your availability from the presence window. We have a recent call history which shows the last 10 numbers that I've dialed, and we have an enter number to dial here. I can enter numbers just by typing on my keyboard and they dial from here. I can also copy and paste numbers into this field. Other click to dial methods include dialing from Internet Explorer, Firefox and Chrome. We also have dialing from Outlook. Here we have a contact within Outlook. Just hovering over the number here in the correct field will then bring up a dial button. Pressing that number obviously dials the number. I can also pop from Central here. We can also dial from other Microsoft applications such as Word and Excel. This concludes the demo. This shows the most powerful features from this CTI technology. Thank you.